Saitama Inu coin holders and Saitamask will make people rich in 2022. Saitamask wallet. After the success of Saitamask launch, we can expect an ongoing evolution of Saitamask. Saitama Inu coin holders could become millionaire in 2022, and I'll tell you the reasons why. If you are part of the Wolf Pack or an investor in Saitama, the first thing that Saitama should do is establish itself as centrally located. It must not be just Saitama's wallet needs, not just a wallet. It should be an aggregator, a central point of reference, and you wish to call it. They need to know the mainstay of community tokens and a one stop place to exchange the tickets. Thus, they can exchange these tokens for their Saitama is a fantastic chance to bring these groups together. So, there is no difference in tribalism. As crypto investors, we need to know that we could be investing in multiple communities based tokens. It, it is possible to invest in Saitama by investing in Shiba Inu, with Dogecoin or in Kishu Inu located at Mars Doggy. If I were Saitama, I would like to continue studying different projects that use tokens based on community. It is what I would be focusing on. I would concentrate on the tokens that aren't necessarily going to Binance or Crypto.com. It would be a sort of Saitama, or even say that the masses are the community based tokens. Saitamask risk security. In the first wave, several tokens will form included in Saitamask, with all the chaos and risk out there, with the rug pulls and people getting scared of hacks and data masks. This is a safe and secure way to trade their tokens. It will be hugely beneficial in the future as people want to feel confident at ease by investing in crypto. They wish to travel there without being concerned about being hacked. That's why one of the significant issues to be concerned about is security. If they can attempt to obtain more tokens exclusively launch using the Artmas, it is a big event considering that Lily will be a limited time launch. I am aware that many people are anxious waiting for the launch of Lily on Steam. There will be lots of people who have invested in this coin. Therefore, Satima is an excellent chance to make all of these. Thus, we are under one umbrella. Satima could be considered the Coinbase or community-based tokens. They should concentrate on their specialization and their area of expertise. Let's not forget that Satima is likely to generate income. They will not have the option to let you use tokens with your debit or credit card. But I believe there will be a version 2 or 3. At some point, it's likely to happen. And that's likely to be a significant factor because crypto enthusiasts are starting to invest a lot. MetaMask wallet. It can be challenging to set up a wallet. For instance, MetaMask setting the wallet to work with MetaMask and Trust Wallet. It is intimidating for those who don't know how to set up swaps, don't know what to do to connect to this Uniswap, or learn how to use PancakeSwap. It is a little daunting, and Satima could simplify the process to ensure that the average beginning investor can enter and feel safe and secure enough to make these swaps. It will be a significant positive for Satima over the long term because it is important to remember that one of the goals or purposes is to offer education for new investors. It happens with the help of several tokens that are based on community. Investing in cryptocurrency, I am sure I have seen this before with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin several times that people who have never heard of cryptocurrency invest in it. It's a huge selling point or a value proposition if you are looking for a time motivator to get users involved in these tokens based on community. If there is no massive obstacles to entry, then should it be straightforward to use, people will be able to make use of it. The next step is to look at the 7 tokens listed above to determine the kind of volume caused by them. Kishimoto Inu coin. I believe that there will be an increase in the volume of people coming to Saitama because people are likely to visit and might consider investing in Kishimoto or have invested in Kishimoto. They could enter the market and exchange their tokens for Saitama and vice versa. It is a beneficial for all tokens which are listed there and to put in the context and in general because I believe people will switch their tokens in back and forth and it will increase the volatility will be. How do you people earn money from crypto? People are earning cash with crypto and at times people make money with prices drop. Therefore, you can benefit from volatility in the crypto of world.